Hello and welcome to Sew and Stack by AbaniZ. Though it is still really warm outside, we are entering the season of fall. I don't know about you, but I always loved the word autumn more than the fall. Now it's the time you add a bit of fall color to your home, and here is how. A beautiful and easy DIY fall wreath, and it is also a great way to reduce some of your scrap fabric pieces as well. Let's get right into it. I'm using an inner circle of a 4-inch embroidery hoop, some jute cord for hanging, a needle, an embroidery thread to match with the fall colors, a pair of scissors, felt fabrics in variety of fall colors, and finally I have cut the shape of a leaf from a piece of paper. Start with cutting the felt fabrics into smaller and irregular shaped pieces like this. If you are looking for more of a pumpkin spice type, add more orange color pieces, and for a more rustic look, you can add variation of brown colors. I have also added a bit of green here and there. When you are done cutting enough felt pieces, thread your needle and make a knot at the end. Now place an edge of one piece on top of the edge of the other piece like this. Start to sew the two pieces together using the running stitch. In this manner, place the third piece on the edge of the second piece and keep sewing to make a chain of felt pieces in vibrant fall colors. Make a couple of knots to finish the fabric chain and make sure to leave a bit of space on the thread to attach this to the hoop. Use that end of the felt chain to wrap it around the embroidery hoop and sew the two folded sides together for attachment. Use 4 to 5 tight stitches to connect and make a knot at the end. Hide the thread in between the felt pieces and trim the extra thread. I'm going to measure the length of the felt chain before wrapping it around, and it's about 24 inches. Let's see if this one is going to be long enough. Now start to wrap the felt chain around the embroidery hoop in a twisted manner like this. Try to wrap it close enough to cover the entire hoop till you reach the starting point. I got really lucky because the length of the felt chain seems enough for this project. From now on, if you are using a 4-inch embroidery hoop, make a 24-inch long felt chain. To complete the wreath, sew the finishing end and the starting end together using a few tight stitches. Also, sew the front and the back pieces of the finishing end tightly together to stop them moving apart. When it's done, make a couple of knots and trim the excess thread. I want to add a bit of leafy look to the wreath. So I'm gonna cut 4 leaves in 4 different colors using my paper leaf. You can cut these into any kind of leaf shape you would like, and also more leaves if you feel like it. Now hand sew the leaves to the felt pieces in the wreath like this. Use a couple of stitches to attach the leaf. And make a knot to end the stitch. Hide away the thread in between the felt pieces and trim the thread at the end. Hand sew the other 3 leaves to the wreath as well and place them as you like. You can also use the glue for this part, but I prefer sewing. I like to see a little bit of threads here and there. We are gonna need something to hang the wreath, and I'm using this jute cord. Burlaps and jute twines are very popular in fall decorations, and this suits nicely. Make a little bow on top like this, and now your wreath is ready to hang. It turned out better than I thought, and I'm thinking of making some for my Etsy shop as well. Subscribe to our channel to see more of these DIY projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful fall.